welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lena. I am so excited for this video today because it's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I'm finally gonna do it because I finally have my own YouTube channel now. If you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I legit post probably all the time what I'm cooking, what I'm eating since I started this whole healthy living journey. So I said that I'm gonna start my own cooking with me series on YouTube, and it's gonna be called Lena's Kitchen. Woo, 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 woo. That's my theme song. Tell me if that works or if it doesn't work. Yeah. Okay, so in Lena's Kitchen, I will be showing you all my recipes that I make, and it's gonna be better than Instagram because you can pause, you can play, you can go back to the video if you want, and you can just cook with me. So if you like the idea of that, please continue to watch. As you can tell by the title, I will be making my two go-to breakfast items that I make every morning. It's either one or the other, honestly. And then I'll also be showing you my go-to lunch that I make, which is quick, easy, affordable. You know, being healthy, people think that you always have to spend like a whole pile of money, and I want to really show people that you don't, because I'm on a healthy journey and I'm also on a budget journey, so it's kind of going hand in hand. So if you like to eat healthy and you like to be on a budget, my channel is for you. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss when I post a video. So if that all sounds good to you, let's get right into it. So I'm going to start with my greens. Like I said, I cut them up already, so I'm not going to show you that. But I have my kale, and then I'll have my cucumbers, and then I have my celery and my ginger, and then I'm going to add my fruit. Today I'm going to put bananas, strawberries, and blueberries, and then I'm going to put in some lemon juice. And then for some extra yumminess, I'm going to put in chia seeds. Chia seeds are great for digestion, and it'll really help you poop. I don't know if I can say poop on YouTube, but hey, it's my channel. So they help with making you poop, so if you have any issues with that, you will definitely go every day. And then also flaxseed is great for pooping. I'm saying pooping a lot, but anyway, that's very important to me, so yeah. So there is some flaxseed, and then I'm going to add my spirulina, which is the original superfood, and there's just a whole pile of benefits to spirulina. I mean, I'm gonna read it straight off of here. It says, so it says spirulina is full of antioxidants and nutrition, includes 60% protein and many excellent sources of vitamin A, K1, K2, B12, and iron, magnesium, and chromium. It also helps strengthen the immune system, boost energy level, support cellular health, enhance circular cardiovascular, improve eye and brain health. Like, damn, that is a lot of stuff. So if you don't have spirulina, I would definitely recommend that you get it. If you live on the island, I've seen spirulina before at Kirk's Market. I don't know how much it is, but I'm guessing it's probably an arm and a leg, but it's so good, so I would definitely call it an investment. And then my base, I'm going to put some almond milk. Sometimes I use coconut water, but I didn't get any from the farmer's market this week, so I'm going to use almond milk. And then I'm going to blend this all up. wonderful smoothie that I literally drink every morning. It's so quick, so easy. And like I said, if you prep your veggies and your fruits the night before, all you have to do is throw them in the blender and there you have it. Cheers! So my next go-to meal that I like to make in the mornings is egg white scramble. So what I'll do is I cut up my veggies, as you can see here. I cut up my tomatoes, it's focusing. I cut up my tomatoes, mushrooms, onions, green peppers, you know, whatever you like. And then I heat oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. You can use coconut oil or whatever works for you, but I like extra virgin olive oil. And then I put my veggies in there. So I kind of make them just saute for a little while. And then once these saute for a little while, I add my seasoning. Usually I use black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. If you've been following me cooking on Instagram, you will know that I love garlic powder. So I add my pepper. Once my veggies are all seasoned, I'll add the egg white. The brand of all whites I've been using is this 100% liquid egg white. It's cholesterol free, fat free, you know, and then as you can see on the ingredients it says, where is it? On the ingredients it says that it's 100% egg whites only. So I'm going to put this into my pan. And here you have it. So I'll either add a piece of avocado or an English muffin like I did today on the side with my egg white scramble. Quick, easy, and so yummy. So the final recipe that I want to show you today was my go-to lunch recipe, which is quick and easy and super yummy. So I'm going to start with the chicken breast. I already washed it. So what I'm going to do is lightly coat it with olive oil and then season it and make it marinate for about 20 minutes. In my seasoning, I've used salt, pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, poultry seasoning. So I've gone ahead and diced up the sweet potatoes, which I'm now going to season and put them on the baking sheet at 375 to start baking. I have my sweet potatoes and my chicken. So I'm going to pop this in the oven and bake it for about 50 minutes to an hour. So my chicken is actually ready, but my sweet potato is not. So I'm going to transfer my chicken out and then put back the sweet potato for like another 20 to 30 minutes. So this is the finished lunch for tomorrow. So I have the chicken breast and then the sweet potatoes and then some steamed veg. So that's healthy, quick, and yummy. Alright, so that's it. There's my video for the day. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment below. If you have any recipes that you want to share with me or any recipes that you want to see on my channel that maybe you've seen me make on my Instagram, let me know and I will make it for you on here. I really hope you enjoyed this channel. I hope you subscribe and you come back again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!